Back to school season is exploding on Etsy, and parents, teachers, and students are buying digital products in this design niche like crazy. This is a high demand seasonal product that you can start selling today. In this video, I'll show you how to create it using free AI tools and Printify, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we jump into the design process, we need to figure out the kind of back-to-school design that will sell fast. So I searched for the keyword on Etsy and paid close attention to listings with bestseller tag. After some research, I came across a simple looking illustration with text. It wasn't anything complex, just a fun, colorful design. But here's what caught my attention. It has already made multiple sales in the last 24 hours. That alone shows that people are actively purchasing this specific style of design. And by using a platform like Alura, you can even track how much each listing is earning from total revenue to monthly sales. Even though this kind of design can be sold as a digital product, but it actually performs better as a physical product. This instantly makes your product more valuable and allow you to charge more than you would for a simple digital file. This is where Printify comes in and makes the entire process simple. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects you with top print providers, allowing you to sell high-quality physical products without you printing, shipping anything yourself. But here's the best part. Printify offers a wide range of white-label back-to-school products, which means your brand stays front and center. From custom notebook, backpacks, kids t-shirts, tote bags, stickers, and mugs. You can place your design on a real product that are perfect for your customers. You design it once and Printify takes care of the printing, packaging, and delivery. It's the easiest way to turn your simple back-to-school illustration into a professional product line under your own brand. Now, before we jump into the design process, just know that selling on Etsy is great for visibility and quick traffic, but at the end of the day, you don't own the platform. Etsy controls your traffic, even your store visibility. That's why I always recommend setting up your own online store alongside your Etsy store. The good news, creating your own store is now easier than ever. All you need is a domain name, and instead of using a .com, I highly recommend going with a .store extension. Why? Because websites with a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google compared to the generic domain. Shoppers immediately recognize .store domain as a place to buy, which boosts sales faster. That's why global icons like Mr.Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline all use .store domain for their brands. Now, getting a domain with a .store extension usually costs $29, but if you head to checkout and use the coupon code Endatah, you get it at a discounted price with privacy protection turned on. Even if privacy protection is turned off, you still get a domain for a lower price for 1 year. And that is not all, you also get a free access to plot version of Elevate.store when you register a .store domain. This is a premium toolkit designed to help online sellers grow faster. It includes deals and discounts for essential tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, all free just for choosing a .store domain. Now, to create this type of design using AI, I'll be using Kittl flows. First, I'll start a new project with a 1:1 aspect ratio. Then I'll take a screenshot of a popular style and import it into Kittl as a reference image. After that, I'll select the design board and choose Smart Board. The Smart Board will link directly to the screenshot and include a prompt box where you can describe the design. Here's the prompt I gave it. Cute back-to-school illustration featuring a smiling pencil, apple, and chalkboard with the phrase Bright Minds in a playful hand-drawn font surrounded by colorful confetti, stars, and book on a white background. After generation, you notice how the image matches the style of the one in the screenshot. I also tried other prompts and the results were impressive. But that's not all. I have a list of free prompts you can use to generate results like this. The link will be in the description, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once everything is done, we'll send the image to Let Enhance to upscale them and avoid pixelation. Once that is done, we move our design to Printify to make it print ready. After connecting your store to one of the supported platforms, go to the catalog and select a white label product that is perfect for your back-to-school design. Then import your design and fit it into the frame. After this, Printify will provide default mockup, title, and description. But you can make your title and description more searchable by using Printify AI tool to generate them automatically. This gives your product a 35% higher chance of making sales. Just provide a short description of your product and the AI will generate a compelling title and optimized description for your listings. Once everything looks good, click publish, and that's how your product will appear on your online store. Finally, I hope this video has convinced you on a profitable back-to-school design idea that can skyrocket your store. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.